on our way to the farm with my friends. So it's a little, you know, Sunday outing or whatever. Let's go.
Sige kayo na pogi. Basta sa'kin yung dating.
How's the food, guys? 10 out of 10. We are starving. We had that chanpaksiw, spikot, pork steak, adobo, fish on spag, and palabok. Fish. We have durian. We have fish. What type of fish? Bang, bang, bang. We are firing
The firefighters.
bazooka. Guys,
Wow, she's like lactating.
Have you ever tried this one?
Good job.
with a silhouette.